Used with the cruise control or speed limiter, your Peugeot's road sign recognition system helps you respect speed limits by anticipating them, so that you are at the right speed when you pass the speed sign. In case of rain, the system will suggest a lower speed than the one on the sign. To use the system, activate cruise control or the speed limiter. When a new speed limit is detected, the system displays the new limit and OK to suggest that you record it as the new cruise control speed reference. Press OK to confirm the new cruise control speed reference. If you exceed the authorized speed limit, the overspeed alarm will flash like this and ring. This alarm can be deactivated in the ADAS menu on the touchscreen or the ADAS tab. This speed monitoring alert will automatically be reactivated when the vehicle is next started.